In NumPy, you can perform matrix multiplication using the num.p.dot function, or the add operator. We define two matrices. Matrix 1 is a 2 by 3 matrix, with the elements 1, 2, 3 in the first row, and 4, 5, 6 in the second row. Matrix 2 is a 3 by 2 matrix, with the elements 7, 8 in the first row, 9, 10 in the second row, and 11, 12 in the third row. To perform matrix multiplication, we use the np.dot function or the add operator. In this code, we use np.dot matrix 1, matrix 2, to multiply matrix 1 with a matrix 2. The result of the matrix multiplication is stored in the variable result. Finally, we print the result using the print function. When we run the code, the output will be. Alternatively, we can also use matrix 1 at matrix 2 to achieve the same result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.